Uniswap value equivalent to $5.0688 a coin. The present reach: $4.6656, $5.1116. The earlier day close: $4.7759. The change was plus 0.2929, plus 6.13%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to unit. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Uniswap cost forecast for November 2023. To start with, cost at $4.15. Greatest cost $6.36, least cost $4.01. The normal for the month $5.12. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.94, change for November 43.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. At the outset, cost at $5.94. Most extreme cost $7.37, least cost $5.27. The normal for the month $6.37. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.89, change for December 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2024. Before all else, cost at $6.89. Most extreme cost $6.89, least cost $5.97. The normal for the month $6.54. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $6.42, change for January 6.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. Initially cost at $6.42. Most extreme cost $7.01, least cost $6.09. The normal for the month $6.52. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $6.55, change for February 2.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for WOC 2024. To start with, cost at $6.55. Greatest cost $6.55, least cost $5.12. The normal for the month $5.93. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $5.50, change for spring 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. First and foremost, cost at $5.50. Greatest cost $6.83, least cost $5.50. The normal for the month $6.05. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $6.38, change for April 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost, cost at $6.38. Greatest cost $7.17, least cost $6.23. The normal for the month $6.62. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $6.70, change for May 5.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Initially cost at $6.70. Most extreme cost $6.70, least cost $5.74. The normal for the month $6.33. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $6.17, change for June 7.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at $6.17. Greatest cost $6.17, least cost $5.16. The normal for the month $5.76. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $5.55, change for July 10.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at $5.55. Greatest cost $5.55, least cost $4.82. The normal for the month $5.28. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.18, change for August 6.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for September 2024. Before all else, cost at $5.18. Most extreme cost $5.48, least cost $4.76. The normal for the month $5.14. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $5.12, change for September 1.2%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for October 2024. Initially cost at $5.12. Most extreme cost $6.36, least cost $5.12. The normal for the month $5.64. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $5.94, change for October 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2024. In the first place, cost at $5.94. Greatest cost $5.94, least cost $4.87. The normal for the month $5.50. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $5.24, change for November 11.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost, cost at $1.80. Most extreme cost $2.04, least cost $1.78. The normal for the month $1.88. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.91, change for January 6.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. At the outset, cost at $1.91. Most extreme cost $1.91, least cost $1.49. The normal for the month $1.73. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.60, change for February 16.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2026. Initially cost at $1.60. Most extreme cost $1.99, least cost $1.60. The normal for the month $1.76. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.86, change for spring 16.3%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. To start with, cost at $1.86. Most extreme cost $2.25, least cost $1.86. The normal for the month $2.02. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2.10, change for April 12.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2026. In the first place, cost at $2.10. Greatest cost $2.10, least cost $1.64. The normal for the month $1.90. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.76, change for May 16.2%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for June 2026. To start with, cost at $1.76. Greatest cost $1.76, least cost $1.38. The normal for the month $1.60. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.48, change for June 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2026. In the first place, cost at $1.48. Greatest cost $1.84, least cost $1.48. The normal for the month $1.63. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.72, change for July 16.2%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for August 2026. Initially cost at $1.